Occasionally, you'll need to remove a panel from an array for servicing. Let's look at how to do that with the SkipRail system. First, remove the multi-clamps in the panel securing the module. Remove the module to access the middle module. Then loosen the bolt of the SkipRail clamp. Remove the spacer tab using a thin tool or your fingers, and slide the clamp to the adjacent panel. Remove the multi-clamps of the module you would like to service. At this point, you can remove the panel for service. Remove the springs of the multi-clamp. To reinstall the panel, reset the panel in place. Then reset the top clamp and tighten. Slide the SkipRail clamp back in place and tighten all the SkipRail clamps. Now you have successfully uninstalled and reinstalled the panel for service.